which enhance the function's flexibility. Okay, so now let's take the example. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna create a functions. So this is the function, and now I'm gonna name it. So you can give any name. I'm saying add or concatenate. Now I know very well that it only receive the integer or the string. That means we're gonna only send the integer or string. You can also add the proper error handling. Okay, so this is for the B. So these are two values or variables. So I'm saying integer and also the string. Okay, so now here, since we are sending the two values, so that's why we're gonna check either it's integer or not. So that's why I'm gonna use the if statement to check either it's a integer or not. I'm using the built-in function which is integer. So here, as you can see, this is the a, and also I'm saying if the both conditions are true, that means if we are receiving both a and b value as an integer, then we can say that a plus b or return a plus b. That means we are adding them. Sorry, a plus b. Okay, now otherwise we are saying that just concatenate. Fine. Now you have created a functions. Now call these functions. So for now, just send the smaller value. You can send the value like 2 or 4 or any kind of value. I'm saying 2 comma 4. That means two value we're gonna send. So go to the page, refresh the page. It's not showing because you have to use the echo here. Refresh. As you can see, this is adding or two values. So I'm gonna sending the string. So now as you can see, it's now adding the concatenations. So a dot b, it's executing the else. So now as you can see, both integers. So 5 plus 2 equals to 7. You can also check with the var_dump. So here var_dump 7. So it's a 7. Okay, so now you can also send the string value. As you can see, now it's saying string value. As I already told you guys that you have to implement the proper error handling by using the try catch block or by using any kind of mechanism, because if you send the value like 1.1 or like any value rather than sending the integer and also the string, since you have defined these two types or the data types while creating the function. So let's suppose I'm saying 1.1. So now as you can see, it's giving you the error. Okay, to reducing or eliminating the errors, you have to use the try catch block or the proper error handling to show the errors to your particular clients or the user. So now you know very well that the data type we are receiving integer or string. So that's why if you send the other than values, you will have the error. Okay guys, so in this way the union types works. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos. If you think we are doing good, thumbs up and thank you for watching.